Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Fashion. How are you doing today? Hope you are doing fine. Hope you are doing great wherever you're watching this video from. In this episode, I have brought together beautiful, gorgeous and super stunning bridal hairstyles. Do let me know in the comment section what you think about these bridal hairstyles. Which of them is your favorite? And if you enjoy watching this video, do want to like the video and share this video with others so they get to see this amazing hairstyles collection. If you are new here, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is Fashion, where you get updated on the latest and trending fashion styles. You get to see amazing hairstyles, ponytail styles, cornrow styles, Ghana weaving, braid hairstyles, bridal hairstyles, twist hairstyles, and lots more. If these are the kinds of videos that you enjoy watching, do want to subscribe to this channel and turn on your notification bell to get notified when there is a new upload on the channel. Thank you so much as you join this amazing fashionista family. I thank you so much everyone for watching this video, and I'm going to leave you now to watch it to the end. Don't miss out on any of those amazing hairstyles that were compiled for you, and I'm going to see you in another one. Do have a lovely day. Bye.